Welcome. In this guide, you will learn how to create a read-only API key on BingX and connect it to your bot securely. Log into your BingX account, go to User Center and open API Management. Click Create API, choose System Generated API Key and give it a simple name. Set the permissions to read only and make sure trading and withdrawals are disabled so the bot can only view your account data. Leave the IP restriction setting as unrestricted and optionally enable future access. If you want future analytics, once the API key is created, copy your API key and secret key. Paste them into your bot's setup page and complete the verification process. Your BingX API key will then be connected securely in read-only mode. Enable the bot to access data without making any changes to your account.